Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to show you the mastery chain in FL Studio, how to master the effects and the different tools that you use to master your beat step by step in your project. So first, when you are considering mastering your project in FL Studio, mastering your beat, the first thing you're going to consider is the nature of the sound. If you have a lot of dynamic, you're going to consider EQ first to remove unwanted sound like your rumbles, your high end, or unwanted sound from your beat. Then secondly, is to bring in your compression to manage your dynamic. Then thirdly, you can as well use a limiter, and otherwise you're also going to use stereo enhancer. So in this particular project, I'm going to show you how to use all these tools step by step. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that whenever we post any video, you get a notification. And more also, don't skip any part of this video so that you don't miss out any vital parts. We also have other videos like how to level your mix, how to make beat, how to use FL Studio software to produce in the description below. We also have a channel, a Telegram channel, where we post regular videos on how to become a professional sound music producer in FL Studio. We also post tips and tricks in that particular channel, so do well to be part of that channel so that you don't miss out. So I'm going to show you right here step by step in this software on how to master your beats with the necessary mastery chain in FL Studio. So right here we are on our beat. We're on our beat right here. So the first thing for us to do is to go to our master channel. So we are right here on our master channel that we're going to bring in. So we're going to analyze the beat first, the signal of the beat, to ensure the steps we are going to be taking. So first I'm going to bring in my limiter. So I'm going to see the spectrum. So from the kick here, I have huge spikes. So we're going to manage these dynamics, heavy dynamics. So I'm going to remove this particular limiter. Then I'm going to bring in my EQ. So my EQ is here. I'm going to go here to remove excessive bass frequencies that we're not here with the hum. So if you notice very well, you discover that the sound is actually a bit cleaner. I'm going to do before and after. This one is duller. This one is bright. So the next tool I'm going to bring in is a compressor. So to help manage the dynamic. So the next one is to bring a compressor. I'm going to bring a compressor. So the compressor I'm going to bring in is a visual compressor. I'm going to switch to compressor here. Increase the gain a bit. So I'm going to bring 2:1 ratio. I'm going to use 3:1 ratio. I'm going to bring it down. So you can see it's already compressing. So it's bringing down the excessive peaks. I'm going to give it one more gain. So we have our EQ, we have a compressor. I'm going to give it more gain. So in this one, I'm going to bring in soft limiter. I'm going to bring a limiter here. So you can see the dynamic is a bit fair. So with the help of a limiter, I'm going to clean up some few tops. So the next time I'm going to bring is to bring in my stereo enhancer. So what stereo enhancer does actually to help you spread your mix. Yeah, where's my stereo enhancer? Okay, here. So with the stereo enhancer, I'm just going to spread. So what stereo enhancer actually do is to help you spread your mix for them to have a space and breathe very well. So we're just going to add a bit, increase. I'm going to do before and after in all the instruments. So you can see the enhancement. You can see enhancement. I'm going to put it back. So this particular button here is just to switch in all the plugins, to off and on all the plugins on the master channel. So I'm going to off all the plugins right now. So you can see how poor it is. I'm going to put it back. So after you have done this, the next thing you're going to do is going to bring in your final gain, which is limiter. So when you get here, make sure you bring this one back down, back down, back down, and increase the overall of your mix. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel and ensure that you don't miss any of our videos, so that whenever we post new videos, you don't miss out, right guys? So subscribe right now, and don't forget to join our Telegram group that is in the description below, so that whenever we post any video, you don't miss out, right? So you can see our track hitting 0 dB. So we're going to remove our mastering chain here. So remember, the first thing we got is our EQ. Then after EQ, then we'll have our compressor. Then after our compressor, we'll have limiter. So just to trim a little bit of those extra dynamics. Then we'll have our stereo enhancer to help spread the mix. Then finally, we have our limiter to help put the total gain. So you can see how our mix is sounding very right. So we're going to do before and after on this. I'm going to put everything off. I'm going to put it back. So guys, so this is pretty much on the mastery chain on how to master in FL Studio. So make sure you follow this step by step and replicate the same thing I just did, so that you don't miss out. Okay guys, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, so whenever we upload any video, you don't